Hello, this is Art with Catherine. This is one of my pieces I'm doing on Jesus. I painted them and everything. Now I'm trying to get the crown ready. These are twigs and stuff. And I think I'm going to put some locks on them. Okay, so when I come back, I'm going to glue the locks on. Update. Okay, I did the top. Now I'm working on the sides. I'm using glue, tacky glue. And hopefully when I finish this side, and then I go back to this side to finish, and then I have to decide what to do about his beard and his mustache, so stay tuned. Okay, I started the second side, so I'm just going to go down here, and here is going to be flowing down on the side, and I just put a dab of glue on it. And then I use my trusty pencil and squeeze it, push it on there. Try not to touch it because the glue gets kind of cakey looking and white when you touch it, so that's why I'm using a pencil. And I'll do this all the way down until I'm finished. I take my Jesus portrait and I'm going to seal it with some decoupage. And then I'm going to probably make a poster out of it also, put it on my shop, www.picturethisfy.com. So we'll see how it comes out. And it'll probably take a few minutes. I have to let it dry. And then I'll start now to open this. Pour a little bit on my plate. That should be enough. And we'll see how it turns out. Seal it up. Okay, start with the top. Put a light coating first on, then let that dry for about an hour. Try to keep it flat. My suggestion is to do this before you put the hair on, because right now the hair is in the way. Okay, I'll let this dry for about an hour and put a second coat on it. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. The final step is finished. I put the crown on, just have to wait for the glue to dry, and hopefully it'll be okay. Ooh, this glue has a terrible odor. Make sure you have ventilation. And that's my Art with Catherine. And I'll show the ending product at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.